Hello everyone, welcome to Ordinary Guy Finance. Make complex finance terms simple. Do you know how much you would have made if you had invested 1 lakh rupees in Tesla in 2016? Take a guess. You would have made around 12 lakhs. That's 1200% return. Similarly, if you had invested 1 lakh rupees in Facebook in 2013, 1 year after its IPO, you would have made around 10 lakhs in 2020. That's 1000% return. So I think you know where I'm going with all this. Today we're going to talk about how to invest in US market from India. Especially I'm going to talk about the HDFC platform. HDFC Securities has tied up with Stockal to provide us with the global investing option. So I'm going to show you their platform, how to create an account, add the funds, and then how to buy and sell the stocks. All right, let's start with the pricing plans. Before we start, I just want to remind you that there's so many other platforms, but I felt the pricing is very reasonable and transparent, at HDFC Global. So that's why, I'm using this platform, right? Google HDFC Global Investing. Click on the first link. Go to the plans. As you can see here, there are 3 plans: basic, silver, and gold. And I'm currently in the basic plan because I'm a long-term investor, so I do not trade that much. So I want to keep my fees as low as possible. Okay, so that's why I've gone with the basic. But if you are a day trader, maybe you have to look at silver and gold plans. Okay, the next one that we're going to talk about is how to create an account. Creating an account is very easy. Click on that open account. And, all you have to do is enter your email, mobile number, and once you sign up, then you have to fill in more details like your PAN card, and you have to give the proof, your ID proof and address proof. It's very straightforward. I've already created my account, so that's why I'm not showing you how to do it. It's very straightforward, but if you have any question, put it in the comments box. I'll try to address that. All right, next, we're going to talk about how to add funds, right? Once you, sign up, and then once your account is approved, you can come back here and then click on this add funds. Let's say if you want to add $1,000. The process is very easy in HDFC Bank. There's an option to, transfer funds from other banks as well, but I've tried HDFC, so let me show you how to do it. Click on HDFC, and then there's both online and offline process. Offline process takes around 7 days, but the online process is very easy. But if you're doing it for the first time, you need to add the beneficiary first. The steps are given here. Click on this link. The steps are given here. If you follow these steps, it's very straightforward. I just want to remind you one thing, especially in the 9th step. After you create the account, you have to, use that account number. You have to mention that account number here in the 9th step. So please follow that. So once you add the beneficiary, after a day or 2, you can go back to your net banking and transfer the funds. And after 1 or 2 days, you'll get a notification that the funds have been transferred. Then if you come back here, sorry, your balance will be updated. All right. All right. Let's talk about the platform. right? They're mostly everything available here that you need to know. Let's say if you want to add a stock to the watch list, you can do it by searching. Let's say if you want to add Facebook to your watch list, you can do that here. Click this button, you can add it to the watch list. And if you scroll down, all the data is available here that you need to know. What's the net income, what are their retained earnings, how much are they spending on R&D, all that information. And if you want to buy the stock, you can do it here. And there are also advanced options like limit order and stop order if you want to use those options. And there are predefined portfolios. For example, if you want to invest in companies that are focusing on electrical vehicles, you can do that. Click on view all. There are all kind of options, US tech, auto EV. Let's say you want to do it, I want to invest in auto EV. Click on that, then you can read the methodology, invest in it. So there's pretty much everything that you need to know. All right, finally, I just want to remind you that fees are very high for global stock market investing. All right, let me show you my statement. I've recently tried to transfer around 2,30,000. You see here, there's almost commission of 1,000 rupees and the other GST of around 500 rupees, around 1,500. You might say that's very low compared to the the amount that I'm transferring. But imagine this: if you're withdrawing those funds, there's another $35 fee. So considering all these fees, I think if you're a long-term investor, it's fine. But if you're a day trader, just avoid it. If you're a long-term investor, I mean, if you're investing for 5 to 10 years, then it's fine, because the $35, it doesn't matter much. Let's say if you make 10 times of your money, then $35 is not that much. All right. So if you're a long-term investor, go for it. Happy investing. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and please provide your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.